Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how we can download Google Chrome on our MacBook. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, we need to click on the Safari app, which is located on the bottom of your Mac screen. So as we tap it open, it will show us this kind of interface where we have to type in the Google URL, which is http://www.google.com/chrome/. After typing in the URL, you will end up into this kind of interface where you need to simply click on the first given link. To click it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. Now all you need to do is click on the download button. After you click on it, you will have to click on the accept and install button as well. As you do so, your Google Chrome will start to download in your MacBook. So after the download process completes, you have to click on the DMG file. Now all you gotta do is drag the DMG file into the folder like structure, and finally you will get your Chrome downloaded on your MacBook. How we can download Google Chrome browser on our PC. So let's get started. So first and foremost, we need to go and click on the search, which is on the taskbar on the left side of the screen. There we need to type Edge, which will redirect us to this kind of page. Now all we need to do is type in the URL of Google Chrome, that is http://www.google.com/chrome/. After we do so, we will be redirected to this page. Now we have to click on the first link and we will end up in this interface. Here simply we have to click on download Chrome option. After we click it, the page will start to download your Chrome on your device. So to download the Chrome, it will try to connect to the internet. So after properly checking the internet, it will wait for download. If everything goes well, the Chrome will start downloading. After it downloads, it will start installing in your device. So as the Chrome gets installed in your PC, it will lead you to this kind of interface. Now the final step is just signing into your account. How we can simply download Chrome app on our Android device. So without further ado, let's get straight into our video. So talking about the Android devices, the Google Chrome app is by default downloaded in your mobile phones. However, if you don't have it downloaded, you can simply download it through Play Store. So first of all, you need to go in your Play Store app and search for Google Chrome. After you find out your desired app, you can simply click on the download option. Otherwise, if it's already downloaded, you can just click on the update button. When you click on the download option or the update option, the Google Chrome app will start to be downloaded and later get installed in your device. Now, all you need to do is to click on that open option and you're all set with your Google Chrome app. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in your email address in your Google Chrome account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, we have to click on our Google Chrome app. Then on the right hand side, we need to click on the profile icon and choose add another account. Now all you need to do is click on add an account to device, which will then redirect you to this kind of sign in interface. Now you have to type in your email address and press the next button. So now to verify whether it's you or anyone else trying to log in, it will give you some tasks which you need to fulfill to prove that you are not a robot and you are a human being who's trying to log in into the account. After this process is done, all you need to do is type in your password and press the next button. So this is how you simply log in your email account to your Google Chrome account. How to update our Chrome app on our Android devices. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So like any other app, it must be updated accordingly. So to update it, first of all, we need to go in our Play Store and click on the profile icon shown in the right hand side of the screen. Now simply you need to click on the update available. There, if you find Google Chrome's update is available, you need to go and search for Google Chrome on the Play Store. Then simply you need to click on the update option. Now as you click on the update option, it will start to re-download your Google Chrome app. Once the download process is over, it will start installing in your mobile phone. Now you will have the latest version and the updated version of Google Chrome app. How we can change our language preference in our Google Chrome website. So this will help you to load everything in your preferred language. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, you need to go and click on the Google Chrome app, which will lead you to this interface. Now all you need to do is click on the three dots on the top right hand side of the interface. As you click settings, you need to scroll down through it and click on the languages. Now you can add any of your preferred languages amongst all these, or either to change your Chrome's language settings, you need to click on the Chrome's language option. After you click on it, you will get several languages from which you can choose your preferred language. So here amongst all these, I have chosen Nepali as my preferred language. So as we go back, we need to restart the Chrome, and when it reloads, it will change everything into Nepali language. So now this is how you can change your language on Google Chrome. How you can simply use Translate on Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is click on the Google Chrome app, which will redirect you to its search engine. Now you need to type in the URL of Google Translate, which is http://translate.google.com. You will end up in this kind of interface. Now you can simply type in any message you want to translate. I have shown an example here. Now as my detected language is English, I can also change it into other languages. However, I leave it as English. Now to translate, I'm choosing Chinese as my language. So if I choose Chinese, now my English will be translated into the Chinese language. You can choose to translate the language in any of the language spoken in this world. So this is how you simply use Google Translate on Google Chrome. How we can block notifications from our Google Chrome browser. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first and foremost thing is we need to click on the Google Chrome app on our device. After doing so, we will be redirected to its user interface. Now simply we have to click on the three dots on the top right hand side of the screen. Now we will have these many options to select from. So now we have to select the settings option. After we select setting, we will have this kind of page. From all these options, you have to simply select the site settings option. So now from the site settings, we have to select the notification option. As we end up in notifications, you can see that now the notifications are turned on. However, to block it, you just simply need to press it off. Now we are all done with block notifications from Google Chrome. How we can set Google Chrome as a default browser on our device. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, we need to click on the settings option on our device, which will then lead us to this kind of interface. Here we need to scroll a bit and select the apps item. As we click on the apps option, we will be redirected to this kind of page. Now here, simply we have to click on manage apps. As we click it, we will be redirected to this interface. So now you can see the three dots on the top right hand side of the screen. You simply have to click on it, which will show you three other features. So from here, you have to select the default apps option. As you select it, you can see the default apps on your device. You have to click on browser. Now you can select any browser from it to be your default browser. However, as I only have Chrome, it is set as a default browser. How can we remove a Google account from our Chrome browser? So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser and click on the profile icon on your right hand side. As you click it, you have to scroll down a bit and you can find the sign out option. While you sign out, all the accounts will be signed out. Now simply you need to click on the sign in again option. As you do it, now you have to click on the next option. So now it will ask for your password. However, as we need to remove an account, we need to click on the email account right above our password section. As we click it, we will be directed to this kind of interface where you can find the remove an account option. Now all you need to do is select the account you want to remove. As you select one, you need to press on yes, remove, and you're all done. How we can simply change our Chrome background from its website. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video and know more about it. So first of all you need to do is go in your Chrome browser and click on the three dots on the right hand side of the website. So now after you enter the page, you need to go and click on the appearance option on the left hand side of the interface. After clicking it, you can see theme on that option and click on it. So now it will load different kind of backgrounds which you can keep as your Chrome background. So amongst these, you need to search for the one you like the most. Here I have shown by clicking one option. As you can see the reviews and other related stuffs, you can simply click on the add to Chrome option, which will then change it into your background of your Chrome. Now you can simply go back and click on a new tab to check how we can simply change our light mode to dark mode in our Google Chrome account. So without wasting further time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, we need to click on our Google Chrome app, which will redirect you to its user interface. There on the top right hand side, you can see the three dots. We have to click on it and click on the setting option. There, if you scroll a bit down, you can find the theme option right there. So now all you need to do is click on the dark button. Now your display has turned into dark mode from light mode. So to check whether your device has gone into the dark mode or not, all we gotta do is go to our home screen and tap onto the Google app. As we can see, you are successful in getting the dark mode. How we can block such sites which are being an obstacle in your smooth internet surfing. So first and foremost, you need to click on the Google app. Here at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Now all you need to do is click on that profile icon. After you click on it, it will lead you to this kind of interface. Here you can find several options. However, we need to just click on the settings right there. After you click on it, you can see these kind of options available. Among all these, you need to click on the Save Search option. After you click on it, now you need to simply choose filter from all these three options. Now this will help you block the sites which are being a hindrance in your internet surfing. How to clear our cache memory on our Google website. First and foremost, we need to click on the Google Chrome app. There on the top right corner, we can see our profile. After clicking on profile, we have to click on the history option. Now we are going to click on the clear browsing data option. After clicking it, we will be redirected to this kind of page where we have to click on cached images and files. Now all you gotta do is select the site of which you want to delete the cache memories. This is how you simply delete your cache memory from your Google account. I hope this video was really useful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up as well. If you have any queries, do comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you all in our next video.